Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to set up Shopify to work with a merchant account. In this case, you've already seen that there are several third-party providers that you can connect to your Shopify account. For example, if we were to choose this third-party provider, and we were then to connect Authorize.net, a merchant account. Now one thing that you're going to note is that once you connect a third-party provider, then Shopify will deactivate Shopify payments. So if we go ahead and we set this up, we will then be set up to take payments using credit cards. However, this will be our primary merchant account. So what you're being asked for are your API and transaction keys. You'll get that from inside of your Authorize.net account. Now from within Authorize.net, you'll get your API login key. You'll create the new transaction key and you'll place that information in the dialog boxes. Once you have your information in, you can then click Activate Authorize.net. And Authorize.net will then be activated as your payment provider. Now, if you have a merchant account other than Authorize.net, the process is going to be very similar and you can walk through the specific steps given to you in the third-party applications. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.